As a chef, I dream of food. And one such dish that I very often dream of from the south of India is the fried fish. The amazing dish that has the subtleties of the southern spices and the crunch of rice flour on top. Welcome to Southern Flavors of Healthy Recipes powered by Philips, and we are cooking fried fish. I'm not alone. I'm here with a very young and spirited lady named Vinita who has sent us her favorite recipe on healthyrecipe.co.in, and the recipe is fried fish.
Yes.
Like how you do it in Bangalore, is it?
Yes.
I thought we might as well call Vinita over and say, okay, what if we were to do your fried fish without oil? Like, is that even possible?
No, I don't think so, because when my mom makes it, it is usually like she adds a lot of oil in it. So when my friends, they come over to my place, it's like they like the fish, but then it's too oily.
But then, how can you make a fried fish without oil?
That's
Like, not possible. It's like an oxymoron, right? Fried fish, no oil. Well, we can, and let's get started on that. We are using the recipe that Vinita sent us to see if it tastes just like mom. Okay, so let's first make the batter, right? For the fried fish now, shallot paste, madras onion made into a paste, ginger paste, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of home-style garam masala, a little bit of, and this is the most interesting part, fennel seed powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, chopped curry leaf. Your mom really likes curry leaf, huh?
Yes.
Lemon juice, a little bit of besan, a little bit of rice flour, a little bit of water, nice. Now it's time to turn the magic wand on. The magic wand is the Philips Airfryer. So we turn this on, put it at 180 degrees. We take our fish, sprinkle a touch of salt, very little, and then apply the marinade on the fish. And the reason I said magic wand is because we are cooking the same recipe, zero oil frying, with the Philips Airfryer. Here you are. Actually, the advantage of this gadget or contraption is that you can cook in two layers. One layer of fried fish at the bottom and one layer on top. And now we let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes at the maximum. You know what? I'll tell you, let's not make the fish wait. Here you are. Smells good, huh? Here you are. Some sliced onion.
This is just like what my mom makes.
Really?
Yes.
Mummy, मैं pass हो गई. Well, that is what I said, right? Fried fish is possible without oil with the same taste. For more such impossible recipes made possible, go to healthyrecipe.co.in, and I'm right there waiting for you.